Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the use of this, that, these and those. This, that, these, those are called demonstratives. We use a demonstrative when we want to talk about whether something is near or far from us, and if the subject is singular or plural. We use them to show the distance between the speaker and the noun. This. We use this with singular nouns when someone or something that is near or here. This is a rose. You can see in the picture, the rose is near the speaker. So we will say this is a rose. That. We use that with singular nouns when something or someone that is far or there. That is a rose. You can see in the picture, the rose is far from the speaker. So we say that is a rose. Let's see some examples. This is a ball. That is a ball. Now you can see in the picture, the bag is near to the speaker. So we will say this is a bag. Second picture, the bag is far from the speaker. So here we will say that is a bag. This is a car. That is a car. This is a cake. That is a cake. This is a book. That is a book. These. We use these with plural nouns, with things that are near and here. These are flowers. You can see in the picture, the flowers are near to the speaker. So he will say, these are flowers. Those. We use those with plural nouns, with things that are far and there. You can see in the picture, the flowers are far from the speaker. So here we will say, those are flowers. Let's see some examples. These are keys. Those are keys. These are pens. You can see in the picture, the pens are near to the speaker. So we will say, these are pens. Now in the second picture, you can see the pens are far from the speaker. So here we will say, those are pens. These are jars. Those are jars. These are ants. Those are ants. These are balloons. Those are balloons. Now let's do some more examples. Now here you can see in the first example, the bags are near to the speaker. So here we will write, these are bags. We will write over here, these are bags. In the second picture, you can see the park is far from the speaker. So here we will write that. That is a park. In the third picture, you can see the pencils are far away from the speaker. So here you will write, Those are my color pencils. Those are my color pencils. In the fourth picture, you can see the dog is near to the speaker. So here you will write, this is my pet dog. This is my pet dog. In the fifth picture, you can see the apple is far from the speaker. So here we will write, that is an apple. That is an apple. In the sixth picture, you can see the cherries. They are far from the speaker. So here we will write, those cherries are fresh. Those cherries are fresh. In the seventh picture, you can see the house is near to the speaker. So here we will write, this is a big house. This is a big house. In the eighth picture, you can see the books are far from the speaker. So here you will write, those are my books. Those are my books. In the ninth picture, you can see the wardrobe is far away from the speaker. So here we will write, that is my wardrobe. That is my wardrobe. And in the 10th picture, you can see the lunchbox is near to the speaker. So here you will write, whose lunchbox is this? Whose lunchbox is this? I hope you have understood this lesson. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my account and press the bell icon to get more such videos. Thank you.